Looks like turning pretty wet down there during the rest of daylight hours and then feeding northwards across a large part of England and Wales as we go through tonight. Some heavy rain, strengthening winds too, and the risk of local flooding after the heavy weekend rain that we saw across the south especially. That's the reason for it, this area of low pressure moving in from Biscay. We're going to find low pressure dominating our charts for 4 or 5 days. In fact, that low pressure centre hardly moving at all for a while, then slipping away back onto the continent. But over the weekend into the beginning of next week, the low gets replaced by the high. So pretty cool winds by then coming down from the north, and there will still be some showers for northern and eastern parts of Britain especially. Well, it's pretty warm today. The winds are light generally, some sunshine around, temperatures 16, 17, maybe 18 degrees across these brighter parts of central and eastern England. But it's been quite foggy in the glens this morning, and here perhaps 12 or 13 is the top temperature. But freshening winds in the south already bringing this thick cloud and some outbreaks of rain through the southwest approaches. A fair amount of cloud too across the north of England just now, and there is a little finger of rain showers developing across the Pennines heading up towards Newcastle. But here's the main batch of rain, and we're going to find 1 or 2 more showers developing across these more southeastern parts of the country as we go through the afternoon. The far northwest of Scotland and particularly the Northern Isles will see further rain from time to time during daylight hours. But then tonight we'll find this rain becoming more extensive from the south, in fact pushing northwards across a large part of England and Wales as the night goes on. Probably parts of Cumbria are still dry by breakfast, but the yellow colours here indicating some fairly heavy bursts of rain, turning misty, some fog patches further north across Scotland once again. Eventually a clearance coming up through the English Channel. It'll be a warm and windy night in the south, rather chillier further north, temperatures down to 6 to 8. That low pressure then certainly dominating our weather for tomorrow. Outbreaks of wet and windy weather continue to push northwards through Northern Ireland up into eastern Scotland, rather brighter on the western side, and some brighter weather with heavy showers developing